Alright. This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that's interesting. This is Wuhan Szechuan. Wait. Wuhan. Let me start over. This is Mingdao brand Wuhan Sesame Hot Sauce Konjac Rice Noodle from China. And it's kind of got a weird thing going on with it. You put it in cold water and set and then put it on the stove. Oh, come on, you. And set it to go for 12 minutes. At the end of those 12 minutes, you put a lid on it and let it simmer for 3 more minutes. So that's the plan. I think we got a couple minutes left. Yeah, a minute and a half. So what's going on? God, what were they talking about today on the news? So there's a trial for some guy shot an unarmed black man named Ahmaud Arbery who was just walking, or he was jogging, and they didn't think he belonged in the area or something, so they shot him. I don't know, that's all I've heard about it. But the defense for the guys who were on trial for killing him, God, what did they say? It's like, when he was checked out, he didn't have any socks on, and they looked at his feet, and he was in bad need of a manicure, and his mom's in the courtroom just like, wow. You're like, my kid got shot, and you're like complaining about his foot hygiene. I don't know. I'm predicting. I mean, this is all way in the past for if you're watching this. This is November, late November right now. 2 days of Thanksgiving. For you, it's like, oh God, it's March. Jeez. It's so crazy how far ahead I am. One thing too I should note is there was a gap between February 28th and, okay, now we put the lid on it. I don't want it to boil over. Well, let's see. But there was a gap in time. So February 28th was episode 1308 of this show. I like the number and the episode to correlate. So 28th, 1308. And then it went to the first, and then that would have been the 29th, or 1309. And I'm like, So now it's like March, I'm guessing 10th, and this is episode 1310. So that's the gap. So, anyways, yeah, it was the timer. You were right. Timer time. Yeah.
5 minutes.
No, only 3 minutes. Starting now. Miles is really interested in pretending to be Alexa. Or there's multiple names now. You can actually make the Amazon Echo have a male voice. You can also call him Ziggy, or Computer, or Echo. Or we just leave it as the chick named Alexa. I had it as the dude for a while, and the kids kept going, Alexa, I love you. Gee, that's nice. Thank you very much. But yeah, we sitting, like we're hanging out in the car. Yeah, I put a lid on it. What are you supposed to do? It's freaking boiling over. Everybody likes it when their noodle liquid boils over. I don't. But yeah, I guess we'll probably have some kind of verdict in that Ahmaud Arbery thing at some point. And then they had the verdict in the, what's his name? Rittenhouse thing recently. I don't know. I just don't know, ladies and gentlemen. I'm as confused as you are, if not more. The universe is crumbling around us. But one thing's for certain, McDonald's will keep coming up with fascinating and interesting menu items for us all to enjoy for the rest of eternity. So there you go. The sun will rise, flowers will bloom, McDonald's will add new stuff to their menu, Happy Meals will be made. So don't worry about all this stuff too much. You're gonna be okay. Alright. And noodles will be cooked. They appear to be done. Whoa. Okay. So, it's a konjac noodle. It's a konjac rice noodle. So it's got rice and konjac in it. If you have a straight konjac noodle, you will find that straight konjac noodles are extremely low calorie. They're like, I've had konjac varieties that are, God, what was it? An Indonesian brand came out with one. They're called Fit Me, and God, what was it? I think they had like a beef lime coconut kind of one, like soto mi. That one was literally like 50 calories and super awesome. All the calories though were just in the what do you call it? What is this stuff? Pickled. Here is some pickled. But I'm like at a loss. I just smelled that stuff and I'm like, what did I just... But anyways, yeah, like 50 calories. All the calories from that one are from the seasoning. That's about it. They're really expensive though, but yeah, a company called Fit Me. They're really good too, and they have a really thin gauge. That's the thing about konjac noodle. The thicker it is, the more rubbery it is, and that's no bueno. I've had some konjac noodle that's like straight up rubber bands. I've had some other noodles that are straight up rubber bands, but the konjac stuff, that can just be out of line. This is a sesame paste. Come on, get in there. Very peanutty kind of affair here. Okay, that's as much time as I'm gonna spend on trying to get all that in there. And then we've got this. This is either gonna be soy sauce or I don't know what. No, black vinegar. Get you in there. Black vinegar and oil. And then we've got, this is definitely the spicy component. It's got, you can see the sesame seeds and it's red. It's just kind of telltale. Signs of spicy. Wow, I'm making great time. I'm stoked on that. You have no idea. So the kids both have their tablets and the TV's on. and Leave It to Beaver's going, and just started. And then they've got tablets playing all sorts of crazy business. So it's just like a cacophony out in the living room. Oh, that smells good. I really like sesame paste noodles. I just had a new one from Taiwan the other day. You may have seen the episode. Check your local listings. But yeah, really good stuff. It's very much like, it's like peanut butter, honestly. That's the close. If somebody asks me what's sesame paste noodle like, it's like, well, think of noodles with peanut butter. It's kind of very similar. This looks pretty good. It doesn't smell bad. All I can smell is the sesame paste, which is a good sign. Very thick stuff. All right. 15 minutes to cook these suckers. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it was worth it. Cheers. Noodle's not bad. So in this particular varietal, as I said before, it's rice noodle and konjac. Konjac being like a health food kind of thing, or a low-cal kind of thing, right? But rice noodle is the opposite. Rice has carbs. So what I come to the conclusion of is they're using konjac as a texturizer for a rice noodle, and which is interesting. That's really cool. But I will say one thing: you could arrive at this style noodle in a different way, and it would require a lot less cooking, I'm sure. What way that is, I don't know for certain, but I'm pretty sure I've had wheat noodle that has been about this exact same texture before. And yeah, did not take so long to cook. But regardless of that, this is good stuff. With beef. Gotta have some beef. And what else are we gonna put on it? We're gonna put some sesame. We're gonna put some spring onion first. Spring onion peak. Some seeds. They're sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, my boy. Sesame seeds.
What sesame seeds? Whoa, that was so shaky.
It is shaky.
Can I shake them?
No. Okay.
Okay. Shake.
You go play.
Okay.
You're awesome, dude. Oh, out of here. I gotta go take pictures and stuff in a second. Don't worry. Papa will return to your regular scheduled Papa program. Okay, I gotta get over there, buddy. Alright, so scoot, 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 scoot. Thank you, bud.
And wow, we made it in record time, and I got one more to do, another one that takes a while to cook. In fact, it takes 7 minutes. This is the last of the varieties that the folks at Emmy sent. This is their tom yum shrimp. This is all plant-based stuff. It's got 22 grams of protein and 5 grams of net carbs because it's full of fiber. So that's cool, and we will do that on tomorrow's episode. So sit back, chillax, do. Bye-bye.